Techno is one of the moody genres out there. Sometimes angry, sometimes hopeful, and sometimes menacing. But what if I told you you can control the emotions with simple techno music theory knowledge? Yes, you heard it right. Today we are unlocking 5 secret techno moods that you can use in your next track right after this video. Hop in. The moods are dependent on the modes in techno or in any music really. And when you think about techno, there is often that melancholia, many times coming from the Aeolian, natural minor. Let's take A minor, all the white keys. Minor, take your root, whole tone, half tone, whole, half, whole. Order in scale is called the degree. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. And makes everything easier to understand for other modes in music. Create that melancholia, minor scale, that third, and sixth, those are juicy melancholic notes. Dance around them. 6, 5, 4. 6, 4. Layer it with octave above. Now you have that melancholia. Flying through the clouds feeling. But sometimes you don't want to be melancholic, you want to be evil. If you take that second degree and pull semitone down, you've created one of the most evil scale to work with, the Phrygian. All you have to do to play that second degree. Easiest way to do that, get an aggressive sound, repeat it, but use that second degree. Repeat more, and use more second, and then use more. Immediately evil. Now layer this one. If you want the cherry on top, add another layer and use that fifth but especially the minor sixth to create that darkness on top. Now together. If you feel like you're going to try these moods in your next track, please consider like and subscribe. If you do, I will make more videos like this for you. Not everybody is out to conquer the world. They find the happiness by utilizing Locrian. Let's take that A minor. So let's move that sixth, half semitone up. Almost looks like a major, but it is not. It's called a Dorian. It's a transition from melancholia to hopefulness. To create that hopefulness, you have to have that F sharp, the sixth. A simple descending from 7 to 6 would create that for you. Can you hear that hopefulness? Ta-da! Now we have this. Inner happiness. This is for my Middle Eastern viewers. You will feel right in a wedding. What if we take that Phrygian evil sound, we turn that evil soundtrack into a Middle Eastern wedding by moving C to C sharp. Can you hear it? Now Aine is playing around that second degree and third degree and creating a melody dancing around them. Can you hear this? If you can start dancing now. Now you know a Charlotte David trick. The villains, they need soundtracks, and their soundtracks coming from Locrian techno. How do you do that? When you pull down here, we know things get evil, but what if we pull the second most stable note, the fifth, semitone down as well? Pure chaos. We have just created one of the darkest scale in techno, meaning this can create horns of tension. Tension means ascending. Ascending with Locrian, soundtrack to villains. Let's ascend. Ascend more. More. Did you think it sounds weird? Listen to this. You can imagine Thanos walking with this music, don't you? If you want to learn more about patterns and pro music production, check here. We have more videos over here.